If your content calendar lives in one place, your ideas in another, and your metrics somewhere else, this will help. In this video, I'm going to walk you through our social media management Notion template so you can organize your work, connect your strategy, and finally see everything in one place. So let's go. This is the social media management dashboard, and as soon as you open it, you will find information explaining what you will find inside. And also, if you need help getting started, you can check out the setup instructions on the right side. If you scroll down to the menu, you will see that it's divided into 5 main sections. So my work, goals and strategy, content calendar, clients hub, and creative center. Here on the left side, you can find the weekly overview where you can see which tasks are in progress, their status, if they're still pending, not started, completed, and so on, the due date, their priority level. Here on the right side, you can check your current KPIs for your clients. So for example, in this case, we have 3 of them: coffee house, a dental studio, and a sports center. But of course, you can add yours and customize this. Further down, we have the content calendar. In this case, it's empty, but this is where you would find your planned posts for the following weeks or months. We have the quick access where you can find all your active clients, and then a tab for ideas and inspirations. Before you start using this template, there's one important thing. Please make sure to make a copy first and duplicate it. This way you can customize it to fit your own needs. Also, take a moment to read this because there are some formulas that automate certain information. So it's important to read the instructions to make sure that you're not accidentally changing any important field. Now let's go through the template section by section. So this is my work, and it's basically where you organize all your tasks. And here you can add a new one, assign it to a brand, select the due date, the status, and the priority level. This lets you link each task to a specific client so you can clearly see what's in progress, what's pending approval, and so on. It's essentially your daily to-do list, but in a more structured way. Next, we go to goals and strategy, where we move into the numbers. So this is basically where you define your content strategy. This is where you can set the objective for each client and also choose the KPIs that you want to measure. Then if you scroll down, you have the buyer persona profile. If you click, for example, on this one, you will be able to see their age, location, occupation, pain points, goals and desires, and so on. In the content calendar, you have several views, so you can choose to see it as post list, monthly calendar, post gallery, and this is where you would go and create your post and choose the client, platform, format, content pillars, and more. And you can also choose to filter by client, so you can only see the content related to them. In the Client Hub, each client has their own dedicated space where you can check their tasks, goals, calendars, ideas, documents, and anything else that might be important. So it acts like a global dashboard, but you can also choose to go into the details for every single client. In the client directory, you can add your new clients and you can include their contact email, their website, the project type, for example. And there's also a section for proposal and leads, as well as a resource center where you can find invoice templates or onboarding material. And finally, we have the creative center, and this is your space to save inspiration, ideas, resources, and you can filter by client or choose to add ideas directly from the client's profile. In short, this is an all-in-one template designed to centralize your work as a social media manager in a single dashboard. It's designed by social media managers for social media managers, so you can keep everything in one place and make your workflow much more practical. It's free, built in Notion, and works even better when paired with Metricool, so you can get the most out of your data. Now, the only thing left to do is to make it yours and start using it.